Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear your Metamask cash, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask apps on the screen, where you can see the settings option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that settings option and now you can see the security and privacy option at the second. So simply select that one. And now you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the three options, which is clear privacy data, clear browser history, and last one is clear browser cookies. So you can select three of them, or you can choose any of them according to your wants, and you'll be able to clear your Metamask cash successfully. So basically this is how you can clear your Metamask cash, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.